everyone, it's Lisa, and today we're going to do something that I've never done before. We're going to open my FabFitFun box. I've never done one of these like monthly or seasonal subscriptions before, but Tammy and I have another friend that get this one, and they were telling me how much they love this one and how good the products are and everything. So I have partnered with FabFitFun, and I'm going to show you what is in my fall box. Now they come out seasonally, not monthly. So you'll, like, this is fall, so I'll get a winter, you know, spring, summer, all that kind of stuff, you know. And the boxes are only $49.99, but you get $200 worth of stuff in the box. And I have not looked in mine. I did get to choose some things that I wanted in it, and they try to do that, but some things could vary. So I can't even remember what I chose, to be honest with you, because it was a little while ago. And if you use my code down below, LisaLisa, you'll get $10 off of your first box. So it's a really good deal, and everyone I have talked to about this box loves it. So I'm excited to see what's in here and to show you. And they support women's charities, and a lot of their products support women-owned businesses. So it's a real good thing. You feel like it's a win-win all the way around. And I believe they have different people designing their boxes. Seems like I've heard that before. This box is so pretty. When I first got it, it was in just like the big, you know, brown box, and I knew I wanted to wait to open it with you guys. So it has been sitting downstairs until I got a chance to share it with you. And I think night before last, I finally took this out and just was getting ready to do this video, and I was so bummed that I hadn't just left it, because it's such a happy box. It would have looked so much better sitting there. I'm excited to see what's in here. Okay, it looks like this when you open it up. And at first you see that this is the fall 2019. It has, oh, a nice little magazine. Beauty 101, tips on where, when, and in what order. Let's eat, bite into an Insta-worthy charcuterie spread. And so that's kind of neat. I get a little magazine with it. And this is available in the United States, the UK, and Canada. You have to excuse, right when I started to do this, the yard guys came across the street, and I've got the cats up here. They're kind of freaking out a little bit. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Fall in love with FabFitFun. I'm gifting you $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Okay, so that's, pass this on to a friend. Okay, that's good. Wow, HelloFresh, $80 gift card. That's good too. I have thought about doing this so many times, but the thing is, we eat so many different things. But I thought about maybe just doing it for John and I. Okay, so here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, I see some good stuff already. Okay, we'll start off with this, which is from Amika, which is like a high dollar brand. What is this? Oh my goodness. A flat iron. I love the color too. Wow. Oh, and it has like the heat settings. It has like the little knob in there where you can do the heat settings. So neat. I love the Amika, the spray. I can't remember, Tousled spray or one of those. So I know this is a good brand. They sell this at the salon that I go to. So that is just worth way more than the box cost right there. Okay. Let's see what these are. Juice Cleanse Harper and Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Oh my goodness, I need these because I have been doing the self-tanning. So you take a single cube with you to the shower or bath, gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough. Okay, so you just take one. Oh my goodness. These smell so good. What is it they smell like? Is it scented? It says juice cleanse. It does smell like juices. I can't decide which one it is. I'm thinking, the green makes me think of like honeydew or something, some kind of melon. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could smell that. So you just get one of these out and then take it to the shower. That is neat. Okay, so that's something new I've never tried. Okay, you know what? I think in this magazine, it tells you about some of the things that are in here, because I did see the Human+Kind. Oh, and it gives you a, so if you like what's in here, it gives you a coupon to use further. Huh. That is neat. There's Wonder Beauty cut from the cloth. Interesting. A fall crossword puzzle. Here's exactly what I was talking about. The Amika right here. And it gives you a code off of that too. 15% off. That is neat. Bubble bar. Wow. Okay, so this is Human+Kind Body Souffle. And I could use some lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Human+Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle. Quickly absorb to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Oh, I love it. Take off my ring. Okay, my thirsty skin just sucked it right up. Let's put some more on my arms. I was hoping I'd get a lotion because I came upstairs and didn't put lotion on my arms. Okay, this definitely goes right in. It's not one of those thick, sticky ones at all. Oh, that feels good. Okay. I don't feel like my hair is going to stick to it. I've never heard of that. So that's what's neat about this, is we can discover new stuff. Okay, let me put my rings back on. A Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Instant visible repair. Protects against heat styling. Well, that's good to go with this. Wow, and I know I love the way Aveda stuff smells. Oh gosh, it smells like a spa. So leave-in treatment. Let's see. Shake well. Work a small amount of product into hands. Apply through damp hair and comb to distribute. Okay, we will probably be using all of that. Brooke and I both. Okay, what is this? Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I've been like so into eye masks lately. I was just asking Tammy what her favorite ones were. And this is from Wonder Beauty. Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And let's see, individually packaged gold foiled eye mask to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, so the mask will never slip. And the third is the cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients, officially giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extract and lavender oil offer cooling effect while soothing and calming the other eye area. This is right on time because I've been using the other ones, the Ulta ones that I showed you, and we're almost done with those, and this is 6 pair. So that is so cool. It's like they knew. Okay, Trestique Mini Eye Essentials Luxe Neutral Set. Brow pencil, shadow crayon, and eye pencil. And these are my colors. Not too warm. Perfect. Wow. Okay. So it's just, is that literally the, oh, it's not. Huh. Okay, I might need some inner corner brightness. Mini shadow crayon. I do. Here, let me pull you closer. See, I'm gonna use my mirror over here. I can already see where I did that one. Maybe do a dot up here. I love shadow sticks. They're so easy. Okay, and let's see what this one is. Mini shadow crayon, and this is Kona Coffee. I've already got like that Stila. Okay, I better not mess with this one because I'm scared I'll get, unless we want to just put it right here in the outer corner. Well, it blends well. Now that is cool. That blended out nicely. Like that. Wow, these are nice. Okay, and then the next one must be the eyeliner. And it is Black Sand. It's a roll-up eyeliner. I'll swatch it for you. I like that. I like that it's not, it's like a graphite black kind of eyeliner, which is what I like. And then, so this must be the brow, mini brow pencil. And I'm scared. Oh, and it's one of these that are shaped like that too. See if you can see. And I'm scared to do anything to my brows. Let me see. It looks like the right color though. Here, I'll extend them a little bit. I like that. Let me show you the color. Looks like a good universal color. Oh, and I like it because it's kind of hard too. I don't like the eyebrow things that are too like gummy. The only one I've liked was that old Smashbox blonde one because it almost was like a brow gel and a pencil in one. It was like so creamy. But most of the time I like the harder ones because I feel like that's the ones that kind of catch on your brow hair. Love that. I've never even heard of Trestique. Huh, and they give you like a little tutorial here on the back. That is neat. Hey, okay. And then what is this? This is Kate Spade. Let me open it here, hold on. Oh my goodness, this is a little lunch thing. It says out to lunch. Wow. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. That, I would say I got some good stuff. I don't even remember choosing this stuff. It's good. And if I don't use this, you know who's going to use it is Brooke because she takes stuff to work. Or you could use it to take stuff to the beach too. So I would say that this is definitely worth, my goodness, it was only $49.99. So you figure probably just this flat iron was worth that. And the eye patches, the Aveda, the lotion, the eye pencils, and the flat iron. Goodness, so I think it's definitely worth it. I knew it was going to be because I have talked to people before about it, but you get the coupons and stuff in there too. So if you guys want to sign up, like I said, you can use my code and get the $10 off. And it'll be interesting to see what we all choose and what we get in our different FabFitFun boxes. And let me back you back out and then I'll do a quick outfit of the day. Okay, so today I just have on this little tank that I got from Old Navy. And then I have on these pants. And you guys, these pants, let me stand on this chair, hold on. Okay, here they are. These pants, see how flowy and like thin they are? They have been like the best thing for summertime. And I got them at H&M. Brooke, I got her like 3 pair. I wear the medium, she wears the extra small. And they have been so good for this summer. It's like every day I just want to wear these pants and some type of tank top or something because they're real thin and cool and comfortable. And I love that they're high-waisted with the wide band. And sometimes I even turn that band down, like if I don't want the high-waisted feeling. For accessories, I don't have any earrings in, and I have on my Miranda Frye, the little rings, and then the ring that my parents gave me, and then another Miranda Frye ring, and then my wedding rings. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I was excited to do something new and maybe discover some new products and maybe some new lines. I felt like this might open up some new avenues, you know, to discover new brands and stuff. And I think it's a really good deal. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Hey you guys, I was just upstairs showing Brooke all of the wonderful things that were in that FabFitFun box. When I was going through it, I found another product that I did not even see when I was looking in the box. So I thought about doing the whole video over again, but I feel like I like things like that, like in the moment. I feel like if I do it again, it's just not gonna be the same. John always teases me when I get packages in the mail because I'm so He said, you love getting packages, don't you? Because I just get so excited over everything, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like that's part of it. So anyway, this is the Better Skin Company Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser Scrub Mask. And Brooke said, she was all excited. She said, yeah, they sell that at Ulta. It's a daily cleanser, exfoliating scrub, and revitalizing mask. Skin cleansing volcanic lava with nourishing calendula, sweet orange, and grapeseed oils. Cucumber, parsley, and chamomile for healthy, radiant, more youthful looking skin, scented with a hint of orange. And it has like the little scoopy thing to use, and then I've already smelled it. It is not, it's a very faint, not a heavy scent at all of the orange, very pleasant. And here it is, and I am excited because remember that other cleanser scrubby stuff that I loved, that I used to order from, I think, Derm Store or something. So I'm hoping this is going to be like that. And so that's what I think is neat. We might find some other good stuff in here. So I wanted to just add that because I didn't want to leave anything out. And don't forget to get the $10 off, use the LisaLisa code, and you'll get $10 off the first one. But really, it is so worth it. It's so worth the $49. And so I'm excited. I'm excited to see what comes in our next box. So thank you for watching, and I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.